Hello and welcome to Benmarks Motors. Here today we have this beautiful 2016 Audi Q3, which is a 2 litre TDI SE model. It's a diesel automatic in silver, coming in with 114,000 miles on the clock and a very good service history. It's a very nice, clean, comfortable car with plenty of space. So it's got the power there to back it up, being a 2 litre. It's got a few age related marks here and there. A couple of scuffs on the alloys, which to be honest aren't too bad. Been very well taken care of. As you can see by the interior, it's very nice and clean, very tidy. It's come with full electric windows, electric mirrors, height adjustable front seat with lumbar support. On there with the light settings. Close the door. And as you can see, just over 114,000 miles there on the clock, but it doesn't feel like it's done that when it's on the move. Your steering controls, including cruise control and speed limiter down here. Or your other functioning buttons with your sat nav, hands free, and the cluster bit there as well. That's to change all them settings. It's come with this lovely pop-up screen. Change your radio, your media, hands free, sat nav, as well as the menu. It does also come with reverse parking sensors. And coming down here we have the climate control settings. Also comes with the auto start stop, as well as the drive select. Front heated seats for your passenger and driver. It's a 6-speed manual with electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders in the centre console, along with the 12 volt and old school cigarette lighter. Adjustable armrest with a little bit of storage underneath there as well. You've got plenty of space. Also has the thigh extension on both front seats, just so you get a little bit more comfortable while driving. Also has privacy glass on the back. Again, electric windows. You can see it's very nice, clean and tidy. No tears or rips anywhere in the seats. The back seats are a 60-40 split with adjustable headrests. Also have another 12 volt socket down there as well for the back. As you can see, it's got plenty of space there as well. Opening up the boot. Very generous boot size with adjustable parcel shelf, as well as a spare wheel under there as well, with a little bit of extra storage around it. Again, adjustable height on the passenger seat with lumbar support, as well as the thigh extension here as well. Adjustable headrests along with lumbar support. Locking wheel nut, as well as adapters there as well for the media system. And there we are, this beautiful 2016 Audi Q3 2-litre TDI SE model, 114,000 miles with a good service history. Also comes with 2 keys and 6 months warranty. Here now at Benmarks Motors. Thank you for watching.